Hi friends, good afternoon. Today's topic is about my beautiful Fittonia or nerve plant. See the overview, my friends. I am going to share you details afterwards, my friends. I have this in two pots. More also I have on the ground also. So little details I am going on the other side to give you all the details of this plant. I am going down, my friends. So these are the hanging basket of mine actually. Then I kept it down now to show you all. This is in another pot I have. So Fittonia plant is a beautiful flowering plants with yellow flowers. If you can see in the camera, my friend, there are yellow colors for this. When the plant is matured, it gives yellow flowers native to rainforest of Colombia in the Acanthaceae family. Fittonia or nerve plant is a decorative plant, can be used in tabletops, garlands, offices and so on. It is a evergreen plant, my friends, evergreen perennial plant. I have only one variety, but they come in different colors. They come in dark maroon, pink, green, which I have. Mine variety is green, which I have. Then green variety Fittonia is evergreen with veins. See the veins if you can see in the camera, my friend. Then deep green egg-shaped egg-shaped called ovata. It's called ovata. Fittonia are short growing plant. Grows at a height of 6 inches. They don't grow very long. Only nerve plant is a slow growing plant. It doesn't grow very fast, my plant. It takes its own time. Flowering plant, yellow flowers, blooms when you give right growing conditions. When they are matured only, they give flowers. Fittonia can be grown as a creeper, then ground cover where it gets filter lights. When the flowers appears, new plant will spread on the ground or the neighboring pots. See how I have in the neighboring pot there. Or where new plant will propagate by itself. They falls and they propagate by itself, my friends. It can grow in pots as well as hanging basket. Will look beautiful when it trails down in the hanging basket. This is my hanging basket actually. It's a very big, huge one, which I brought here to show you all, my friends. Here this leaf is not burnt, my friends. The flowers, leaf fell on that and it got stuck, and that's why it looks like that. It is not burnt. Soil, if you talk, well drained soil, loves moist soil but not wet, slightly acidic, which you can add charcoal. You can mix soil acidic with vermicompost also becoming, and also charcoal pieces you can put. I added 50% garden soil, 20% construction sand, 25% vermicompost, little cocoa peat to hold moisture, fungicide, little of fungicide powder. So then sunlight, bright indirect light, prefers filter light, not direct light. Avoid afternoon sun, leaves will scorch, will burn, especially during summer. Water when the upper layer gets dry. Check with your finger, my friends. If the plant dries, it will collapse but will rise again when you water it back. Doesn't like dry soil. Keep it moist. Plant will not die, it will collapse, my friends. The leaves will collapse, but when you water it again it will come up. Then about the fertilizer, I fertilize twice a month, even once a month you all can fertilize, my friends. With any liquid organic fertilizer, I use vermicompost or onion peels, soak overnight. Then strain it, dilute and give your plants. You can spray on the leaves also, or chemical also you can use, if you all know, my friends. Mostly I don't use chemical, my friends. Then about propagation, stem cutting through seeds. When the seeds fall on the ground Mm, when the seeds fall on the ground or on the nearby area, many nerve plants are growing in my neighbor garden also through seeds they have gone in their garden through wind. Sometimes birds also take them, so they also have them in the in their garden on the ground. Sometimes their plants also coming in my garden, so it is give and take of nature. So repotting, when it is root bound, take fresh potting soil. I have discussed about the soil earlier, the vermicompost and soil, then construction and everything I have discussed earlier. Yes, pest attack. There are many pest attacks for this plant. My friend, mealybugs are the first one who attack. Snails also attack. Then slugs also they attack. Aphids also. So I have faced. Have a regular walk. Have a regular watch on your plants, my friends. If it is attacked, wash the plant with running water first, then spray neem oil solution, 1 liter of water, 3 to 4 drops of neem oil, 5 also you can. Then, 5 ml of neem oil, 1 liter of water, 5 ml of neem oil, then 3 to 4 drops of any dish soap wash. Shake well and use it on your plants, my friend. Then you can repeat it if the attack is more. Little overview, my friends. Do watch the full video and hype also. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Have a lovely afternoon, friends. Bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.